How to log into Paperless Employee account. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can log into your Paperless Employee account. Paperless employee systems are the digital platforms used by companies to manage various HR tasks such as payroll, benefit administration, time tracking, and employment documentation without relying on paper-based processes. These systems typically offer features like electronic document storage, e-signatures, and automated workflows to streamline HR operations and reduce paper waste. So to get started, you will have to open any browser on your device of your choice, and at the search bar of the browser, type paperlessemployee.com/ the name of your company. You will have to type the company name to reach the official website of Paperless Employee. After typing this keyword, press enter to browse it. Wait for a while and you will reach to this interface. Here scroll down and below you will see the login interface, where at the right side you will find the create account option. If you haven't created an account on this platform, you can click on this create account and create it. Now at the left side you will find the login interface, where in the first box you will have to enter your user ID, then at the second box enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password. If in case you forgot your password or user ID, you can always recover it by clicking on this forgot username or password and recover it by following the steps given by the website. Now after entering all the login details, click on this login button and you will be able to log into your Paperless Employee account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.